Is RapidWorkers really one of the best microjob websites, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and in this RapidWorkers review I'll give you an inside look and I will share both the pros and the cons so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and RapidWorkers is a platform you can join completely for free, and you can also find quite a lot of tasks from basically all countries and earn some extra money that way. But there still are some limitations depending on where you live, and I will also talk more about this later. For now, let me just log in and then I'll show you exactly how it works. So I have now logged into RapidWorkers, and you just go to the available jobs to see all the ones that you can do to actually earn. You can also go to My Campaigns, but that is if you want to create a job, because all the jobs that are in here are actually created by other members. So if someone has a task that they want to pay others to do, then they come here and you can go through here and see the different options. You can see how much you would get, the approximate time, and then you can see done here, and that means how many tasks are available. That's what you see over here. So here 4 out of 10 are done. So then you can kind of use that to also figure out when a task is almost full. So then maybe you need to hurry up with that. But I would say that the design and everything here is quite outdated. It hasn't been updated for years. Like, I first joined it and tested it several years ago, and the design is exactly the same. And that definitely could use an update in my opinion. But the tasks are still the same here. You just go through. You can also here search for the country you are from, so you can see the tasks that are, for example, only available for you, because there are the option for people that actually create these tasks to say that we only want people from a certain location or something like that. But you can also see that in the overview, you can see all these ones that are international. So that means you can do them no matter where you live. So what you would need to do is that you just click any job here, and then you just need to follow the instructions. In this case here, you'll see you get 43 cents. It says it takes less than 2 minutes to finish, and then here's what you need to do. You need to, for example, go to Ysense. So this is someone that has tried to use Ysense. Ysense is like a beta site. I also have videos about that. I will leave a link in the top corner, and sharing the referral link and trying to earn by getting people to actually sign up. And then it said do simple offers to earn a minimum of $7, and then you need to also provide proof. So usually you need to provide proof that you actually do the tasks. But here's something you need to be aware of, that yes, going to a site like this, signing up, yes, that takes less than 2 minutes. But here they ask you to earn a minimum of $7. That will take way longer than 2 minutes. And how much you can earn on a platform like Ysense, for example, that depends on where you live. But that's just one thing to be aware of, that this time that says how long it will take, the person themselves that create this job, this person here, he wants some referrals to Ysense. So he creates a job. He himself decides, like, he wants to say that it's 2 minutes. But it's way more if you need to live up to this requirement to earn $7. In some countries, that might take a few hours actually to reach. In other countries it will be less, but in general, no matter where you live, to reach that kind of earnings and actually get this reward here of only 43 cents will be way longer than what it said. So that's one thing to be aware of, that most tasks in here take way longer than the time they actually say they do, because there's always extra steps, and then you need to take screenshots, all these different things. And another thing to be aware of, that some of the tasks here are, in my opinion, outright like unethical, because you help sometimes manipulate certain social media algorithms or something like that. They can also be, for example, like Gmail, something where they ask you to verify a Gmail and give them access to that Gmail, like things like that. I just stay away from that, because you're using your identity to verify, for example, a Gmail that you have no idea what will be used for, to earn, in this case, for example, 22 cents. Like, really not worth it, because you have no idea what your identity will basically be used for. So there are many things like this you have to be aware, but there are also small tasks that are fairly easy to do, that are ethical, that are safe, that pays okay. You will never earn a lot here. We'll talk a little bit more about that later, the full earning potential. But overall, on a microjob platform like RapidWorkers and basically all others, also just be very, very critical before you do any tasks, because often they take longer, sometimes they're not even safe, all these different things. So be critical and choose very wisely if you decide to do this. But there are a lot of tasks, and there are always a lot of tasks, so that's the advantage of it. But you of course also need to know how you can actually get paid, so let's talk about that next. So I now jump to the withdrawal section, and here you can see that you need to earn $10 to withdraw. So the payout threshold, it's okay, but it will in most cases take quite some time to reach because the tasks don't pay that well. And then you can get paid via PayPal. So at the moment of recording this video here, it says that they have some PayPal issues at this moment, and hopefully it will be resolved over the next few days. This message has been there more than a few days by now, so I can't say maybe by the time that you watch this it has been fixed. We can hope so, but that's something, if you decide to join, go there and check that first, because before they fix the issue you can't get paid. But I know that they actually did used to pay via PayPal without problems, but right now as of recording this they have some issues. Hopefully they will fix it soon. But what you also need to be aware of, PayPal is the only payout option they actually offer. So you can join from all countries, you can earn from basically all countries, but in some countries PayPal is just not available, and then you can't get paid. So that's why no matter what earning platform you join, you always need to first of all check which payout options does it offer. Are those available in your country, or the payout options that are available, is it actually a method that you want to use? So always do that first, because I know sometimes people come and they get excited, they start earning, and then they go to withdraw, and then they find out, oh, I can't get paid because that option, I don't want to get paid that way, or they don't offer that option in your country, something like that. So always check that first. So to sum it all up, RapidWorkers can be a way to earn some extra money, but it does take quite a lot of patience, and you have to choose the tasks very wisely. As I showed you, many of them take way longer than the description actually say. Some tasks are even not safe, some are just, in my personal opinion anyways, unethical. So choose very wisely and be patient, because it's not high pay you get from a site like this, to be completely honest. Also, you need to be aware of the payout option. Make sure to check that it actually has been fixed, the issue, so they actually can pay before you start spending any time, if you decide this is for you. In my opinion, the biggest benefit it has is that it always has tasks available, so you can find tasks no matter the country you live in, and always find plenty of them. But it just does take a lot of patience, and the usability is not that great, and the tasks you need to do are just in many cases something that I would never participate in. So this is just something to consider. But I know that it did used to pay without issues, anything like that. Now, right now, as of recording this video anyways, they do seem to have some issues, so hopefully they'll fix that soon. But now at least you know what to look for and what to consider before deciding whether you should join or not. And many of you have actually asked me for an updated RapidWorkers review, so I hope this helped you. And I will also leave a link below to a full written tutorial I have of RapidWorkers if you prefer reading. I also have a list of the best microjobs websites you can go and check out. So then you have other options if you want to look into alternatives instead of join extra sites. And if you in general just like to earn without investing anything online, then I also have a free email course where I go over many different options and tips and tricks about how to get the most out of these opportunities. I will also leave a link to that email course below. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.